What is going on, guys? It's your boy Kozak. As you can see, I'm tired right now. It's 7 a.m. right now. It's Tuesday. Usually I get up a little bit earlier, but I went to sleep like 3 a.m. last night. I'm about to be getting a crazy mod that's gonna absolutely change the look of my car. And I just want to show you guys what the difference is gonna be like in case you were trying to get this mod for your car. Mod, because I don't know what I'm gonna name the video yet and stuff, but honestly, I'm excited. You can't tell because it's 7 a.m. We're outside now, so I can be a little bit more energetic and stuff. Plus, I'm a bit more awake, but pretty rainy out here. I'm hoping it's not too windy so I can actually record. But here's the car. Hey guys, I'm excited. If you can't already tell, the one thing we're missing on this car, look at the windows, man. They are disgusting. Like, man, like look at that. You could just see right inside, man. It's insane. We're gonna go ahead and pull it out. Let me play you guys a cold start. That's the next mod we're gonna need to do, but for now, definitely some tint. I mean, look at her, bro. All right, so we're back in the car now. Just cleaned out the car. Happy I'm getting this tint stuff. I mean, like, look at this. I'm in a fishbowl, man. I'm in a fishbowl. Look, every window, man. Like, dude, I can't wait to show the comparison inside the car too. Bro, I got a few more mods planned after we get this tint. I still have my stripes on, which I want to take care of those next. I'm probably going to wash off some of the dirt off my car, just so it looks a little bit cleaner. I got to check what time it is, so I'm not running late. So anyways, I'll see you guys after I do that. Little orange pines are damn near everywhere on the car, man. I can't get them all off. This is how it looks with no tint. No tint. I'm going to walk around real quick. There's a kid staring at me. Us car guys look so, like, probably ridiculous to other people. I'm standing outside at 7 a.m. People are going to work. It's a Tuesday. And I'm standing outside watering my car. Like, nobody's going to understand that. It's just crazy. Like, I don't know why I do the things I do. I'm going to be honest. Like, it looks ridiculous. But, hey, it makes me happy. So, it is what it is. We're going to go ahead and get ready to go now. We have about 40 minutes until our appointment. I got to go get myself a ride back. So that's probably what I'm going to work on right now. So I'm going to go ahead and see you guys probably, honestly, after I'm done. Now, I don't know if I'm going to record the rest of it today. Probably going to record the rest of it tomorrow. I'll probably do it today. I'm going to be too excited. Anyways, guys, I'm going to see you guys later. Before I go, I did want to say, so for the tint, I'm gonna keep it a surprise. Fuck it. I'm standing out. That's a No, is that a V10? I think that's a V10. That's gotta be a V10.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, so we're back in the car right now. I don't know if you guys will be able to see the difference on camera because I don't see the difference personally on camera. I'm about to show you guys the outside though, because the outside looks like completely different than what it looked like this morning. So I want to show you guys that. So we're about to hop out the car, but man, bro, like I love this change. It looks so damn good, bro. It looks so good. All right, guys, so this is the final look. And dude, it looks completely different, bro. I'm gonna give you guys a little walk around. So basically, we didn't go fully crazy on it, and I just love how it looks like on video, especially because you cannot see inside anymore at all. Like, I was worried I was gonna go too light, but honestly, I'm happy with this. We went 15 all around ceramic, and then we got ceramic on the front, and that's 56. Now the sides and like all around makes the front darker, and the front only letting in 56% makes the sides darker. So honestly, would it look better with 5% all around and 35 on the front? Probably. But overall, man, I'm genuinely so happy with how this turned out. Can't wait to go get some people's reactions to like when they see the tint for the first time. I mean, look at that, dude. Like, man, it just like matches the black accents so well, man. Now we got a few more black accents that we're gonna be doing that I have planned. Dude, I need a haircut. Looks like I got a helmet or a loaf of bread on my head. Anyways, we're home. We took the comparison videos. Dude, honestly, I couldn't be more happier with the results. I was really concerned about going with this tint percentage over going with something like, 35 and then 5 all around, because I know that's really popular and it looks really good. But what I was worried about is if I would be able to hit the toes in the nighttime or hit the back roads in the nighttime where there's not good lighting. That's like one thing that I was thinking about, and honestly, I'm happy that I went with this because I think this is going to be fine. I think it's good for what we need. And then also the front doesn't even look tinted. It's tinted, but it doesn't look that tinted, so I don't feel like we're going to get any issues with it from, the 12. So this is what it looks like when the sunlight hits it, like the tint. This is what it's like from the side. Obviously the sun's not hitting the side, but oh, and it went away. All right, so we're outside right now. It's like 2 days later. It's Thursday now. We got the tint on Tuesday, so it's been almost 48 hours since we got the tint. We're going to the car right now because we're going to try to get Jordan to come over so he can come see the tint. It's a beautiful day outside. I heard cops are kind of prevalent right now. Like they're going to be cracking down more in my area because we have a lot of racing going on and stuff because we have a no chase policy. People really abuse that. I'm about to go message him, see what's up. Hopefully he's actually awake. Dude, I'm telling you, by the way, guys, he's gonna pull up with the most goofiest fit on, bro. I'm telling you, dude, whenever he like does anything with me, this man does not care what he's wearing. That's what true friendship looks like. But I mean, even me right now, bro, I mean, not looking as stupid as he's gonna look, but oh my. Yeah, I mean, even me right now, I'm wearing, well, actually, hold on. If my camera's like this, I need to show you guys like this. I'm wearing Ugg slippers, I woke up around 5 hours ago. Just been doing homework and stuff. Haven't done anything too productive, but look at the tint, guys. Like, dude, it looks so much better than what it looked like on the first day. I'm gonna need to put a comparison because I remember I walked out exactly like this on the first day. All right, so we pulled out. Dude, by the way, look how nice it is, man. Having tint. Well, you can't see it as well on camera, man, but we pulled out now. We're facing this way, so that way that when he's coming, he's going to come from that right side. He's going to be looking like kind of at the front, so he won't be able to see the tint as much. And I'm going to be like, yo, what do you think's new? And we're going to just try to get his reaction to the tint. I just want to see if he thinks it makes as much of a difference as I think it makes a difference. We're going to go ahead and wait for him. I just messaged him. I know this man doesn't like leaving his house, so he's going to be pissed, but but it is what it is. Hello, sir. This is your dress? I hope you don't mind I'm recording, but this is your dress? All right, bro. So, we did something new with the car. I want to see if you could notice it.
Notice something new with the car.
Yep. There's nothing big, nothing crazy, but I want to see if you think it makes a difference. It's not an exhaust.
Why do I feel like it's exhausting?
It's not.
Yeah. Let me roll down your windows real quick.
We can't do that.
Let me roll down your windows real quick.
We can't do that.
I noticed it from out there.
Really?
Yeah. Mostly with the windshield. I was like, that looks... did you do your windshield or is it just from...
Yeah, I did the windshield.
How much?
56.
100?
Huh? No, 56.
Dollars?
No, 56%. Were you asking how much it cost?
How much it cost?
Oh, my bad.
Taking a seat. Can I borrow the car key?
Don't roll it down, bro.
I just want to borrow the car key. You still recording?
Yeah, still recording.
Okay.
That sounds good.
Roll it down. Thanks, man.
Nah, bro, it looks so good. Dude, my car is not that loud, bro. Dude, that sounds so much louder than when I use it, bro. Like, I swear my car is not that loud. Like, especially when I go to a car meet, I can't even hear it. I mean, it's also not warm. This man actually just stole my car. His house isn't even that way. He actually just stole my car. His house is to the right, bro. Yeah, so let's hope he doesn't hit any crowds. Dude, I can actually hear my car down the street. Like, that's crazy. Like, I don't know why. To me, my car's quiet. Everybody tells me it's not that quiet, but it's quiet to me. Oh, there we go. He's turning around. Bro, it looks so good. Jesus. When are you getting your tint? Your car's gonna look even better.
Yeah, for real.
You see the quality of the tint on the inside though? It's flawless. That ceramic.
Is it actually?
Yeah. I'm broke. I have like $35 to my name.
Yep. Your hood pins too, actually installed.
Yeah, I need to get real hood pins for sure. I don't know, bro. I feel like I should maybe tint these a little.
And then
I feel like
we're
these
gonna
are too
change the
red.
whole car, so instead of it says GT, it says Camaro.
Well, I mean, it is their month.
Yeah, it's Mustang's month.
No, Camaro's month.
Yeah. At least we ain't Mopars.
We're back. We're sitting in the car. Honestly, that wasn't exactly how I expected it to. His outfit wasn't as bad, so I was wrong about that. I don't know, guys. The quality of this looks so good. I got the front, like some like really high tier ceramic, like 90% UV rays. Now, it's cooler in the car than I would typically expect, but it's still hot as a mother, man. I'm not gonna lie. It's fun seeing people's reactions, man. When he drove my car, bro, call me a cuck because, bro, that turned me on. Pause. Like, guys, I don't know. I love seeing my car, man. I'm in love with my car, guys, like, and seeing it, and dude, hearing it, man, it's so loud. But I mean, I'm pretty sure just because it wasn't warm. When he got back, it was a little bit